I spent my entire career as a missionary for the PLC process. And one of the things I love most about it is that it's universal practice. And so in hood parlance, don't get cute. Universal practice means it's going to work in the hood, it's going to work in the suburbs. I don't care if you're urban, suburban, rural, extra rural, it will work. Which means don't get cute. Don't try to make it your own. Don't go from 3 big ideas to 4 big ideas. Don't add a 5th question or just have 3 critical questions of a PLC. It works. All you need to do is to commit to the system, submit to it, and let your performance do your thinking. See, sometimes we're way too smart for our own good and we do too much thinking on the front end, which is all really trying to come up with excuses for why not to go for it, because that's what this is. This is no different than that risk opportunity that you might have looked at one point in your life, but you were too afraid to take that step, or this idea that you had, but you didn't take it to fruition for fear of failure or fear of what others might think about you. This is no different, because mission-driven work requires that you go for it. But instead, many schools try to take the process and kind of mash it up into what they think fits their population and their demographic. No, not with this. Don't get cute. Don't get cute. I don't care who you are. And I've had success with this model in completely diametrically opposed populations and demographics. So I'm not the one. And I'm telling you, this is universal practice. And if you're not executing it, right, as laid out, you got to ask yourself why.